you don't actually have a focus problem. You have a starting problem. Because if I asked you to focus right now, no phone, no distractions, you'd probably hesitate. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain isn't activated yet. Here's the truth. Focus isn't something you wait for. It's something you switch on. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to trigger deep focus in under 10 seconds, anytime you want. Step 1, the reset. First, stop everything. Seriously, pause. Pick a single point in front of you and lock your eyes on it. Now take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and release. What you just did was interrupt the noise in your brain and force it into the present moment. Step 2, the one thing rule. Most people can't focus because they're trying to do too much at once. Your brain doesn't like complexity, it likes clarity. So ask yourself one simple question. What's the one thing I need to do right now? Not your entire to-do list, not your whole assignment, just the next small action. That's where real focus begins. Step 3, the 5-second activation. Now, this is where everything changes. Once you know your one task, don't think about it. Just count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Start immediately, because the longer you think, the more resistance you create. Action eliminates hesitation. Step 4, create a focus trigger. If you want this to become automatic, you need a trigger. Pick a simple object, a pen, a notebook, anything. Every time you touch it, you start working, no exceptions. Over time, your brain builds a connection. This action equals focus. And eventually, you won't even need motivation anymore. Focus isn't rare. It's not something only disciplined people have. It's a skill. And like any skill, once you understand the system, you can use it whenever you want. Now you have that system. If you're serious about upgrading your mindset and becoming more disciplined, make sure you subscribe, because the next video might be exactly what you need to level up.